Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. And today I am going to share with you how to play some of your favorite holiday songs with Pandora. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these services to you. Today I am going to show you how to access Pandora and then how to create a playlist to help you get into the holiday and Christmas spirit. So the first thing that you are going to do is you will need to go to your browser and then you can type in there Pandora music. Now, if you don't put the music on, you may have to wade through a few things to get to it. So if you type Pandora music, it should come up as the first thing. The other thing you can just do is type pandora.com and that should bring you to Pandora also. So when you go to Pandora, it will load. And if you have not made an account yet, you can go ahead and click and make an account. And you see here you can log in with Google or with your email. And then once you're logged in, you'll see right up here on the right that you are logged into the account. To be able to save these stations or your collection, you're going to need to be logged in. So the way this will work is if you go up here to the search, you can type in specifically, if you just type in Christmas, it will start listing Christmas stations that are available to you. You can see there's Christmas radio, hits, there's all different types. If you go down through, there's family Christmas radio and some of these things. Now, one thing I want to point out to you is if there's a check mark on it, after you have already created your collection, they will tell you that it's already in your collection. So these ones are not in my collection. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. So say this is the station that I would like. If you go over here to the right, there are 3 dots that will give you more options. And what you're going to want to do is if you want this one in your collection, all you'll have to do from here is click the plus. The other thing that you can do is if you actually click on the station itself, it will give you what it looks like, and it tells you the listeners and it tells you all the different information about that station itself. And when you click the play button, of course, it will start to automatically start to play your station.
In times of crisis,
oftentimes you'll have a commercial in between because you have the free version of it. Okay, so your Christmas radio has been added automatically. Once you first click it to play, it will add to your collection. Or you can also click that plus button to add it to your collection. So if you go up here to the top, once you have gone through and chosen a couple of the stations, they will show up here on your main screen on Pandora. But if you go up here to My Collections, you'll be able to see the songs, the recently played stations here also. And it'll also show you the collected stations down here. And then if you go back to your now playing, it will show you the one that you're currently listening. You also have the ability up here, so say you have several different Christmas stations here and you want to listen to them, you can click Shuffle Stations and it will shuffle all of the different stations that you have listed over here in your playing. But if you only want to listen to that specific one, if you just click on that one, it will show up here, and this is where you can listen to it. And it's pretty easy. You can determine whether you like the song. If you like it, you can do the thumbs up. If you don't really like that one, it'll shuffle it and try to get you a different song that you like. But of course, here's the play button. With the free version of Pandora, you do have ads, as you can see over here, and there will be ads sometimes in between songs. You do have the ability to upgrade. It's right here, but it does cost you, as you can see, per month. This is what the charge would be. But you can still just listen to your collections and things, but you will have ads with the free version. So hopefully this will help bring you some joy listening to some Christmas music or other types of music that you are interested in. So check out Pandora and have a wonderful holiday. Thank you.